year. This is our first video of the new year. We are so excited because today I'm going to be unboxing our Sallie Tomato & Co. box. So we launched this special box for the first time ever last year. So if you were able to snag one of these boxes, I think you are in for a lot of fun surprises and inspiration to start off your 2023. We are going to show you what is inside the box for day one today, and each day we'll post an unboxing video so you can see what all the hype is about. So we were thrilled that you guys were excited about this box, and the whole box is inspired by our robin egg faux leather and cork fabric. So all the contents in the box follow the theme, and pretty much everything inside this box is brand new. So I think you're in for a treat. So let's begin and open this box up. And on the outside of the box, there's this cute sticker. It says Sallie Tomato & Co. box. Thank you for purchasing this special box of gifts to inspire you in the year ahead. So don't open until January 1st. So that's today we get to open it. All right, so look at how beautiful this is. Our team at Sallie Tomato did a great job making sure this would be fun for you to open, so let's go ahead and find day one. You are so charming. Thank you for purchasing this exclusive special offer. We are delighted to present to you this charming new key fob. Search for the key fob tutorial on our website to learn how to make this project and then add a little extra bling with the included charm. So here are all the goodies inside. You get a 4-inch cut of our robin egg cork fabric. I absolutely love this color, and I'm sure you do too. And for the hardware, we are introducing a brand new key fob hardware. So be careful for these little screws that come with it. So now we have 2 styles of key fob hardware available on our website. So this type of hardware, you'll create your key fob strap. You'll insert it into the opening of the hardware, and I recommend adding some permanent glue as well for extra security, and then you can screw the fabric in place for even more reinforcement. So hang on to those little screws. This hardware is super easy to install, and it has the split ring on it so you can attach your keys or other charms. And here we have a new charm that we designed just for you guys. So this is a little locket, and it has an engraving on it with the Sallie Tomato logo. I'm just gonna take off this plastic so then you can see how shiny and pretty this is. So you can attach the little lobster clasp to your split ring so you can have an adorable little charm on your key fob. And I'll show you, it is a locket, so you can open it up. So you can add a quote inside or a little picture that's meaningful to you. So I think this project is very sweet, and I think you'll have fun making it. Here is what it looks like all done, just to inspire you. So go ahead and head on over to our website and search for key fob tutorial so you can make today's project. I hope you enjoy the gift today, and I look forward to sharing the rest of the gifts with you the following days. I'll see you tomorrow.